In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix compare price not appearing in Shopify. If your sale price is showing, but the original compare at price is missing on your product page, it usually comes down to how things are set up in your Shopify admin. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to check and how to update your product so that the compare at price appears correctly on your store. First, go ahead and open your Shopify dashboard in your browser and log into your store. You'll land on the main admin homepage where you can see an overview of your store's performance. From here, we need to head straight to the products section because the compare at price is managed on the product level. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly look up the specific product that's missing its compare at price on the storefront. Once you see the product you want to fix, click directly on its name to open the detailed product page in the admin. This is where you manage everything for that item: title, description, images, pricing, inventory, and so on. Scroll down until you find the pricing section. Here you should see two main fields, one for price and one labeled compare at price. If your compare at price is not showing on the live store, it's often because this compare at price field is either empty or set to the same value as your actual price. Click into the compare at price field. This is where you'll enter the original higher price that you want customers to see as the crossed out amount. Make sure that the compare at price is higher than the actual selling price. For example, if your current price is 50, the compare at price might be 70. If the numbers are the same, most themes will not display a discount. After you've typed in your compare at price and confirmed that your main price is lower, look toward the top or bottom of the page and click on Save. Give Shopify a moment to process the change. Once it's saved, visit your online store, refresh the product page, and you should now see both the compare at price and the discounted price displayed. If your theme supports sale badges, you may also see a sale or percentage off label appear automatically.